only legitimate risk is a black swan, an unknown unknown. Otherwise, Bitcoin is the best engineered asset to serve as a digital property in the 21st century. And we've got 12 years of history. Has it been hacked? No, it hasn't been hacked. Is it going to be banned? No, it's not going to be banned. Can it be copied? We copied it 10,000 times. Every copy's failed. So yeah, I suppose unknown unknowns, but if you look at the tangible risk of you want to own Turkish lira right now, if you're in Turkey, what's the Afghan currency? You want to have a hotel in the middle of Africa? Every other form of property, and asset has a higher risk right now. And there's an incredible need for a non-sovereign store of value that will move at the speed of light on technology networks. And Bitcoin happens to be the strongest, best dominant, best engineered asset to meet that requirement in the world today.
Well, then, Michael, does that make the case that prices for Bitcoin are likely to go up forever?
Yeah, Bitcoin's going up forever. That's my belief. I've said it before, Brian. Bitcoin is going up forever. It's a simple, but let me be more articulate. The price of Bitcoin is going to be driven by adoption, and as more and more of the world adopts Bitcoin, that's going to create demand for it. It's going to be driven by technology as it gets built into Facebook and Google and Apple. It's built into Square and PayPal, and so as you build in technical utility, that's going to drive more adoption. It's going to be driven by inflation, and the monetary inflation rate in the US is probably 15 to 20% for the next 4 to 8 years. But the inflation rate in Turkey and Argentina is 40, 50%. So monetary expansion in a fiat frame of reference is also going to drive up demand for a scarce, desirable global asset. And all three of those drivers are with us for the next decade. So there will be volatility. It's not going to go up uniformly in a perfect exponential curve. But, I don't think we're going to see a world where technology slows down. And I don't think we're going to see a world where currencies don't keep inflating.
So, Michael, and obviously all this kind of fits within what you've been doing over at MicroStrategy, which we've been talking a lot, but you do have a day job over there as the CEO. Wondering how that fits into everything. You just tweeted out earlier this morning, you've actually purchased an additional 1,400 Bitcoins. That means you've got, about 3.6, you acquired about 122,000 for 3.6 billion. What does that mean for the strategy of the company? And is it hard to message all this to investors, to people maybe inside your own C-suite with regards to why a tech company, a cloud services company is getting into Bitcoin to the degree that you are?
In an environment where the money supply is expanding at 20% a year, you have to take any value stock and you have to discount the future cash flows with a 20% discount rate. So I think you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out that unless you're a digital monopoly and you can grow your cash flows more than 20% a year, it's hopeless to hold value in your equity. So any kind of operating company that isn't a digital monopoly with a super high growth rate can't survive. It's not going to long persist unless you have a property strategy or a balance sheet strategy. And the balance sheet strategy is you invest assets into a property that's going to appreciate faster than the rate of monetary inflation. So the MicroStrategy strategy on the P&L is 2,000 people selling enterprise software, and we're growing 5, 10%, some growth rate, but we're not growing north of 20%. And then on the balance sheet, we've just swept our treasury into Bitcoin. And as in the first month or 2 months, it took a lot of communication. Now I think our investors understand that we're long Bitcoin. In fact, we're leveraged long Bitcoin. So we're going to acquire and hold Bitcoin for the long term. And we do it with our cash flows. We do it with equity issuances. We do it with convertible debt. We've done it with senior secured debt. And in essence, we're short the dollar, we're long Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin continues to appreciate, it's appreciated 160% a year for the last decade. So you could figure out that we're kind of borrowing money at 1% interest, and we're loaning it out to the Bitcoin network at 160% interest, and we're scraping the arbitrage. And that's what puts value in the stock. The MSTR stock then becomes a derivative of Bitcoin, and we become the first digital property company that we've seen in the world. And we think that's a really good strategy in a world where digital property is universally desirable.
Michael, by the way, we're about 30 seconds from the opening bell of the good old-fashioned stock market. I should just mention that's going to start trading in just a sec. We're looking right now at a chart of the correlation between your stock and Bitcoin, and it's not a one-to-one correlation this year, but it's it's up there, right? It's at times it gets to a 0.8 correlation. So I don't mean to be flip here, but why bother with the software part? At some point, what's the end game here? At some point, are you just going to be a derivative play on Bitcoin? Are you just going to be effectively a digital property company and not have the rest of it?
No, it's a huge benefit for us to be an operating company as opposed to like a SEC 40 finance company. As an operating company, we can generate cash flows and sweep those cash flows into Bitcoin. We can finance the cash flows at low cost of capital, and that's another benefit you have as an operating company. We have flexibility to pursue financing strategies of selling volatility, or if I was an ETF, no ETF can go borrow $2.2 billion at 1.5% interest to lever up. So we have a lot of flexibility on the balance sheet side and on the operational side. And each strategy is mutually complementary. Our employees are happier, our customers are happier, our brand has accreted by 100x since we assumed the Bitcoin strategy. So the enterprise software business is more profitable and it's got better prospects because of Bitcoin. And then, of course, on the Bitcoin side, we only started with 500 million in capital, and we invested 250 million in capital, and we figured out how to acquire 3.66 billion in capital to buy Bitcoin with it. And so you can see you need to be an operating company to do that. And we're unique, in the world as that synthetic Bitcoin miner and that operator.